National Weather Service in Caribou, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Penobscot County and east central Maine, southeastern Aroostook County and northern Maine, northwestern Washington County and southeast Maine. This includes the city of Danforth until 3:30 p.m. at 2:21 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles west of Widow-Pitlock, or 19 miles west of Danforth, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Haynesville and Kingman.
This is KEC 93 in Ellsworth, Maine. Hazardous weather is forecast.